Hello everyone, welcome to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to creative mode, survival mode, or even hardcore mode in a very simple way inside Minecraft. What we need to do is something very simple, but for this, we first need to change the game settings. So we're going to head into the settings menu. Once we're there, in the first section called Game Settings, we need to make sure that we are set as operators. After we become operators, we'll be able to type commands. These commands will help us change our game mode. We open the chat, and here we have access to both the chat and the commands. Commands can be enabled by using a slash, or in some cases, as you can see, the slash opens automatically. From here, we can set spawn points, teleport, change the time, or modify the weather. But if we want to change our game mode, we need to type game mode. This allows us to choose between adventure, creative, default, spectator, or survival. In this case, since I'm currently in creative mode, I'm going to switch to survival. And as you can see, I've automatically changed to survival mode. It's very easy to do. Now we can simply continue playing the game and we'll be able to take damage. If we want to switch back to creative mode, we do the same thing. We open the chat, type game mode, and this time we select creative. And once again, as you can see, we're back in creative mode. It's very simple and easy to do. And that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Glitch Sip.